Welcome back, guys, to my channel. I am Magnazone Rick. Today I'm going to be opening up some blister packs, some 3-packs here. If we have time, I do have 2 more here. Probably going to get to all of them today, but I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll get to this opening here. Start off here with this Rayquaza pack. Absolutely beautiful promo and beautiful coin there. This is the newest set, Rebel Clash. There's the promo. Let's see if we can grab the sleeve here. Throw that promo on the sleeve. Got a couple out just in case. You can always put them back if we don't need them. But I do sleeve up all my hollows. We do have the Capraja sleeves from the ETB box, which I did open one of those already as well. But let's get the packs out. This coin out as well. Hopefully you guys can hear me all right. This coin is absolutely beautiful. Set that there. There's a code card. Have yourself a code. We have Inteleon, Cinderace, and a Cinderace. Let's see if I can get the camera angle a little bit better for you guys. Alright, cool. Alright. So, let's get into this Inteleon pack here. Chuck that over there. Oop. Have yourself a code card on me. Alright. Bronzong, Metapod, Tool Scrapper, Surskit, Stuffle, Coughing, Impidimp, Shinx, Reverse Spiritomb, and a Galarian Darmanitan. Not anything too exciting, but still a relatively new set. If you missed my video yesterday, I did do an introduction to my channel, introducing you guys and give you guys a binder update of what I have already in my Rebel Clash set code card. So please subscribe to my channel. I am going to try to upload at least 2 to 3 videos, I believe, yesterday. Could be more, just depending on how much support I get. We have a Heatmore, a Barbroach, Arrokuda, a Stuffle, a Lotad, a Growlithe, Chatot, and a Trevenant non-holographic. Nothing too special about that pack either, but it is still a relatively new set. I am still needing a lot of the reverse holographics, as well as a lot of the hyper rares, full arts, secret rares, stuff like that. Get into this next pack and see what we can get. Let's see what Cinderace has for us. Hopefully something fire. Just throw that off to the ground. You guys go have yourself another code card. I will be giving away all my code cards for the most part. Tool Scrap for Curse Shovel. We have a Masquerain, Shinx, Sandygast, Roly-Poly, Stunky, Clefairy, Full Heal, and a Barraskewda. Nothing too special about that blister, but I do have some more here. So let's get into this Duraludon one here. Try to My desk isn't very big, guys, so throw that off to the side. Get your blisters out, or these packs out, or the blister, I should say. There's the Duraludin. Have yourself a code card. Get a sleeve to throw this in there. And we do have an Umbreon coin, it looks like, in this 3-pack, which I have not got the Umbreon coin yet, so that's a good thing. Rillaboom, Toxtricity, and Inteleon. We'll get into the Inteleon first again. I really do love this set, guys. It's one of my favorite sets that they've come out with in a while. The pull rates are pretty good in a booster box. These blisters, though, can be hit and miss. I do the and I fucked that all up. Colossal, Barraskewda, Chug. So nothing special. Sorry about that, guys. I do apologize for the language. I did mess that up pretty bad. So let's get into this next pack here. Sorry, I was multitasking, didn't really pay attention. Trying to watch the screen here and make sure you guys are in focus and all the other fun stuff. Come on. Have yourself a code card. Okay. So we have a Leaf Energy, a Lampent, a Beware, Skolvet, Applin, Tympole, Trubbish, Helioptile, Heatmore Reverse, and a Ninetales. That's actually my first Ninetales I've pulled, so I'm actually pretty ecstatic about that. That'll be a new hit to the binder. Last blister here. See if we can get anything decent. Hopefully, Secret Rare would be, or Ultra Rare would be nice. And I don't think we're gonna get anything yet. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lampent, Halucha, Magmar, Meditite, Milcery, Growlithe, Impidimp, Buddleby, Reverse, Vullaby, and a Sigilyph. Alright, I don't want to end the video like this, so we will get into the next Rayquaza blister here. Same coin, so I won't show you guys that. I'm just going to rip this bad boy open. Cinderace, Inteleon, and a Rillaboom. There's the code card. Get Rayquaza. There's a coin. Same as the last one. Ah! Sorry, guys. Hit my light. It's pretty touchy. Alright. So let's get into the Rillaboom here. We'll start it off. Hopefully get something good out of this pack. And I think we did. Get yourself a code card on me. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure we're in focus here. Alright. So we have a Leaf Energy, a Heracross, an Electrode, a Beware, a Barboach, an Arrokuda, a Stuffle, a Lotad, a Growlithe, Applin Reverse, and a Galarian Weezing, which I'm going to sleeve up. Nothing too fancy, but it is a holo. It is one of my favorite holos in the set. Set that over there for right now. We'll get into the next pack. As I said, I will be trying to upload more videos. And just like that, some of these you get awesome hits. Some of them you miss. So let's get into this pack here. Starting off with a Water Energy, a Palisand, Training Court, Lambident, a Roly-Coly, Metatite, Grubbin, Electabuzz, Natu, Reverse Full Heal, and a Boltund. I have pulled this one, but it is an ultra rare, so you can't be upset about that. Let's see if we have a trifecta here and see if we can get another holographic or above in the Cinderace pack. And I don't think we did, but have a code card. Let me know what you guys pull. I really do want to hear from you guys. I will be pretty active in the comments. So we have Darkness Energy, Heracross, Electrode, Beware, Galarian Mr. Mime, Snover, Pidove, Galarian Darumaka, Patina, Reverse Duraludon, and an Electivire non-holographic. Electivire is one of my favorites. But we'll get into this last blister here. Hopefully my camera don't cut out, because I don't know what my time is on it. We're at 11 minutes, so we are kind of trucking along here, guys. One of each of the Galar starters. This is another Duraludon. Have a code card. Sleeve this guy up. Set him off to the side. And we have another brand coin, which is actually, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it looks like it actually came scratched or with some extra plastic out of the mold. Let's get into the Cinderace pack here. I am a Grookey. That is my starter. Code card. Out of the way. Into a Psychic Energy, an Electrode, Tool Scrapper, Curse Shovel, Magmar, Galarian Yamask, Surskit, Stuffle, Coffin. We have a Reverse Natu and a Spiritomb. Heh heh. Let's get into the next pack here. Let's get into the Italian. We'll save Rillaboom there for last. Pack didn't want to open for me. Have a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gotta do the card trick. Start off with a Fire Energy, a Milo, who actually has a full art, which wouldn't be that bad of a hit. We have a Luxio, a Honedge, a Timple, a Vullaby, a Galarian Coasla, a Toxel, Zamazenta reverse, and a Barraskewda. That Zamazenta I did need, so that's always a good thing. Let's get into this last pack and see if we can get a full art or better. Maybe a secret rare, maybe a hyper rare. Who knows? Hopefully something good. Trying not to look at the code card. Metal Energy, we have a Luxio, Bronzong, Impidimp, Buttlebee, Phantom, a Dreepy, Galarian Farfetch'd, Reverse Honedge, and a Galarian Mr. Rhyme. Got a rhyme for the dime. But anyway, we'll go through the polls again. Nothing, as I said, nothing too fancy. Obviously, we have these beautiful promos. I have the 2 Rayquazas promos, as well as the 2 Duraludon promos. And then our 2 pulls. We have the Bolton V and the Galarian Weezing. We did put those in the Copper Shaw sleeves. I'll flip this around and talk to you guys. So I hope you guys liked the opening. Subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up, let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite pull from today's video? Leave it in the comments below. I will be doing some giveaways here shortly. I'm just trying to get product to do the giveaways. And I will be putting that on my socials, so please follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, which is linked above on my page, I should say. I will be probably leaving a link in the description as well, but if not, follow me on my page. They are in the top banner on my Instagram and my Twitter. I am going to say have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in the next video.